This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Drive axle replacement. Removal. Remove the wheel cover. Unstake the drive axle hub nut. Then loosen it with a socket and breaker bar. Apply the parking brake. As an additional safeguard, chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Loosen the front wheel lug nuts, then raise the front of the car and support it on jack stands. Remove the appropriate front wheel. An alternative method to loosen the nut, after the wheel has been removed, is to insert a punch into the disc cooling vanes and allow it to rest against the caliper mounting bracket while loosening it. Remove the ball joint to steering knuckle pinch bolt. Pry the ball joint out of the steering knuckle. Remove the drive axle hub nut. Then pull the steering knuckle out far enough so the drive axle will clear the hub. Pry the drive axle out of the transaxle to release the lock ring, then remove it. Installation. Before installing, make sure the lock ring is in place. Guide the drive axle into the transaxle while turning it slightly to align the spleens. Then a quick jab will set the locking clip into place. Align the spleens on the outer end of the drive axle with the spleens in the hub, then slide it into the hub. Insert the ball joint back into the steering knuckle. Install the ball joint pinch bolt. Tighten the pinch bolt to the specified torque setting. Install the drive axle hub nut. Insert a punch into the disc cooling vanes and allow it to rest against the caliper mounting bracket. Then tighten the nut to the specified torque setting. Peen the collar of the drive axle hub nut into the slot of the stub shaft. This will prevent the nut from working loose. Install the front wheel and lug nuts. Lower the car to the ground and tighten the wheel lug nuts to the specified torque setting. Remove the chocks from the rear wheels.